the strength that came from asking for help. Rohan believed one thing deeply: if I can't alone, I don't deserve it. This belief wasn't taught, it was learned painfully. From people who left, from promises that broke, from silence after asking. So Rohan stopped asking, and slowly confused loneliness with strength itself. The beginning. Rohan grew in a town where survival mattered more. Dreams waited quietly. His father passed early, his mother worked silently. One evening, Rohan asked, "Ma, aren't you tired?" She smiled gently. "We don't stop, Beta. We just continue." That sentence became law. From that day forward, no complaints, no weakness, no asking help. Only effort remained. Please support me. For more videos, subscribe and share video and build better English learning family. Let's continue. Learning alone. In school, doubts stayed hidden. Questions died inside him. Nights replaced teachers. Silence replaced guidance. In college, groups studied. Rohan chose isolation. Friends shared problems. He only listened quietly. People admired him. He's very strong. They never saw exhaustion. Because strength without support doesn't empower you, it slowly drains you. The first crack. After college, city life began. Big dreams, tiny savings. Pressure arrived silently. Rent increased monthly. Workload doubled weekly. Loneliness grew daily. Manager overloaded him. He accepted silently. Credit stolen openly. He stayed quiet again. Sleepless nights followed. He repeated daily, "Men don't complain." But strength without rest eventually collapses. The collapse. One night, rooms silent, Rohan collapsed alone. Not illness, exhaustion. Doctor spoke calmly. "You didn't fall today. You've been sick long. You ignored limits." Rohan smiled weakly. Limits were myths to him. The small plant. After recovery, village visit. Behind his old home stood a small plant. A wooden stick supported its stem. His mother watered softly. Rohan asked curiously, "Why tie support?" She answered gently, "Because without support now, the wind will break it. When strong later, it won't need help." Rohan laughed lightly. Strong plants need nothing. She looked at him, not angry, not sad, just wise. "No, Beta, strong plants grow because they were supported." That line stayed. Meaning didn't yet. Misunderstood strength. Back in the city, life stayed unchanged. Still silent, still alone, still strong. He rejected teamwork, avoided mentorship, feared questions. Inside whispered fear, "If you ask, they'll judge you." So he fought storms without shelter. The storm. Then life hit harder. Job lost suddenly, savings vanished quickly, confidence shattered quietly. Fear arrived fully. Yet he didn't ask. He walked miles daily, skipped meals silently. When asked, he smiled. Everything fine. Pride became heavier than hunger itself. The lowest point. One night, under streetlight, Rohan sat empty. Not crying, not angry, just hollow. He'd done everything alone and still lost. He whispered softly, "Wasn't I enough?" An old man sat beside, offered water calmly. Rohan hesitated, then accepted. The man smiled. "See," he said, "nothing broke. You accepted help and survived." The tree lesson. The man pointed nearby. A massive tree stood tall. When it was small, he said gently, it needed support. Now it gives shade. Support isn't dependence, it's preparation. Rohan listened silently. Something shifted inside. The inner change. Not instantly, but deeply. Strength wasn't refusal. Strength was awareness, knowing when to accept. The next day, Rohan called an old friend, not to beg, just to speak. It felt strange, but lighter. Learning support. He accepted guidance, joined learning groups, asked honest questions, shared struggles openly. Growth accelerated naturally, not because he weakened, but because he stopped fighting alone. Like a plant supported early, he stood straighter. Becoming the tree. Years passed quietly. Life stabilized slowly. Not perfect, but peaceful. One day, a junior said, "Sir, I'm struggling, but don't want to bother." Rohan smiled gently and replied softly, "Take support now. One day, you'll give it back." Final truth. Life isn't loneliness test, it's connection journey. Mountains lean on earth, rivers follow paths, trees need support first. So why feel ashamed? If you're struggling silently, if strength feels heavy, listen carefully. Taking support does not weaken you, it makes you wise. The strongest people aren't those who never needed help. They are those who accepted it, grew from it, and became support themselves.